Okay guys, so we're going to do things a little differently today. I'm going to do a quick voiceover on this tutorial. First, go ahead and put your foundation on, and you can apply the little tape things like I've already done. And then we're just going to go in with the dark color. I'm using the black in my Morphe palette. And just really layer that up so you can have a deep dark color. And now I am just blending that all out. Blending is going to be key in this look. And now I'm going in with the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, the pink tone in here, and I am just going to apply that and blend at the same time. And just keep layering it up so you can have a nice shade of pink. Make sure if you have any fallout to go back in there and just darken up that black. And I'm doing the same thing with the inner corners of my eye with the yellow tone. Just blend, blend, blend. And now I am removing my tape and just cleaning up the edges to give it a nice crisp look. Now I'm going in with concealer. This is the Morphe concealer, and I am going to just brighten up that under eye. I like to put this on the sides of my nose. I feel like it just softens the center of my face a little bit. And now I am using that same pink shade and just going underneath my eye, blending it in just a little as I go. And then I'm going to grab the black shade and do the same at the outer corners of my eye as well.
What truth? That you are a slave.
Now I'm going in with a little gold highlight on the inner corners of my eye, using that Morphe palette and applying mascara. Quickly, I did apply a white eyeliner to the lids of my eye. It was just hard to see. Here, I just applied glue to my eyebrows and adhesive, and then I applied my gold glitter with a brush. You just couldn't tell. I know I'm going a little slow. My video is a little faster than what I can keep up with here, but just to let you know, on the eyebrows, I had to bend over in order for the glitter not to fall on my face. Also, you could see that I have applied 3 rhinestones with the same adhesive and the gold foil in the inner corners of my eye. Since then, I have put on a little bit of a blue shadow on my nose and used a liquid eyeliner for the nose piece, and then a gold liner to surround it. Now I'm applying that same eyeshadow palette all to my face, all different colors, and bringing that up my cheek to give it a more in-depth look. Now I'm just pulling some brown shades and filling in my cheeks like I would normally bronze. Cleaning that up with a little bit of powder, and now I'm applying a highlighter. My face, okay. Going in with a little bit more of that color and chiseling everything out with some more powder. Now I'm grabbing that same liquid liner and I am doing my best to make the teeth. I am terrible at making the teeth, so bear with me here.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from
I did put on a pink lipstick before doing the liner here, but honestly, I would suggest just not putting on the lipstick and solely just using the gold liner to fill in the teeth. The lipstick made it a little bit more greasy, so the gold didn't appear as bright. I didn't want to have to erase everything on this look in order to remove the pink lipstick, so I just went with it. But you can tell here as I'm applying the gold liner to all the little teeth that the outer edges look a whole lot brighter than when I had to apply it over the pink lipstick.
To know what it is.
And just keep going and filling them over and over until you get the desired deep gold tones that you're looking for, or whatever color you're using.
Or when you turn on your television, you can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Now I am just going in and chiseling out a cheek line and grabbing that same black eyeshadow and doing my best here to shade in a little hollow cheek. And I'm just grabbing a little wipey and cleaning those edges. I added a little beauty mark, and that is it.